Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live, mga kapuso, karong bag-o doon ay mga sugbuanon nga seafarers nga na-rescue dito sa nasod sa Japan. Karong buntaga, mga kapuso, pangumustahon ta ang assistance nga gihatag sa mga gobyerno nato niini mga distressed OFWs kini mga seafarers nga naapektuhan karon sa pandemya gumikan sa COVID-19. Makauban nato karong buntaga gikan sa Overseas Workers Welfare Administration Regional Welfare Office ang ilang OIC, si Ma'am May Codilla. Good morning, Ma'am May.
Good morning, Nico.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us this morning. Ma'am, kumusta na? Sukad miigo na itong pandemya, atong public health emergency. Doon na mo'y datos, pila na ang mga OFWs nga nakapauli na ito dinhi sa Cebu ug Central Visayas.
The international flight arrivals started, I think it was in June 19, 2020. So we already had around 16,945 OFWs who arrived via international flights. But out of that, only 2,400 plus are from Central Visayas. And most of that are seafarers also.
Kini mga nakapauli ba, mga OFWs, labi na sab kani ato mga seafarers, unsa estado sa ilang panarbaho ani, ma'am? Nay nakapamauli gyud nga dili pa makabalik o uban makabalik ra ba dayon?
Those who had arrived, most of them had completed, I mean, for the seafarers had completed their contracts, but were not able to return home right away because of the lockdown, of the restrictions, no? And some of them were terminated, and some of them were not able to finish their contract because of this pandemic.
Pero doon na sa uban, ma'am, nga makalarga ra sa ma'am, babalik, bisan pa man kung padayon pa ta.
Yes. We also learned that there are also some seafarers who are now preparing to return to work overseas, and in fact, some of them had already been deployed back for another overseas assignment.
Kining mga na-displace in town, ma'am, tungod sa COVID-19, unsay assistance nga gihatag nato sa gobyerno ini nila, ma'am?
Okay, first and foremost, our mother agency, the Department of Labor and Employment, implemented this Dole AKAP. No, this is a one-time financial assistance for the displaced, repatriated, terminated OFWs due to the COVID pandemic, including those who are not able to return to work overseas. We have for Central Visayas, Nico. Actually, we were able to release to 4,900 OFWs already, and this is about 49 million in terms of amount. And this is what we call abot kamay sa pagtulong para sa mga OFWs, Dole AKAP. For info, I think there were already 183,000 OFWs who had returned home. No? And this is not only for Central Visayas, actually.
Nationwide ni siya, ma'am, nga figures.
Nationwide siya. Today. So, since you are asking about programs for this displaced or repatriated OFWs due to COVID, I would also like to inform the public that we have this new program, educational assistance through scholarship in emergencies. This is what we call EASE project. This is an educational assistance for dependents of these repatriated OFWs, those who were repatriated starting pa atong February 1, 2020, the time the pandemic was declared, no? So it is an educational assistance of 10,000 per annum for a maximum of 4 years in college to qualified dependents of active OFW members. And this includes the sea-based, land-based, and the balik manggagawa.
How can they apply for this, ma'am, para sa ilang mga dependents?
Okay, they don't have to come to the office. They can go to they can only apply to this online system, only on this portal, what we call is at owa.gov.ph. Is easy, EASE, .owa.gov.ph.
Ma'am May, karong panahon na daghan pa ba, nag-abot-abot pa dayon pa ang mga na mauli?
Yes. We assist sa OWA, we assist this for the international flight arrivals, we assist these OFWs no, by billeting them in the hotel while waiting for their swab test results before they can go home to their respective home provinces. In the same way, katusang mga nangabot from Manila through the domestic arrival, since they have to follow certain protocol, then they have to be billeted first in a hotel before they can be picked up by the respective local government units.
Ma'am, sa mga balik manggagawa, basta dunay kontrata, makabalik naman, ma'am, no?
Yes, there is mga nalansad siguro yung mga additional requirements, Nico, because of this global health crisis. Na requirements sad ang iyahang country of destination. We also have requirements here. They only have to follow those requirements aside from the requirements set by PUEA. And if they have queries about that, I think it would be best that they contact and coordinate with the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration.
All right. To cap this off, Ma'am May, unsay imong mensahe sa mga stakeholders nga nagtan-aw karon kining mga dunay concerns sa inyong opisina sa OWA?
We encourage our OFWs and their families who have queries or who have to make follow-ups to call us, to contact us, or email us at region7@owa.gov.ph or contact us at telephone number 2543199 or through our hotline mobile numbers 0917 809-4754 or 0918-921-4932. Katong mga naay mga problema o reklamo sa mga OFWs who are still in the overseas job site, they can always email us or contact us. Or kung naamang gyud gani moabot sa opisina, Nico, of course we entertain them, but we limit the walk-in clients daily as much as possible.
Thank you so much sa impormasyon nga gihatag nimo kanamo karong buntaga ang OIC sa OWA 7 si Ma'am May Codilia. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nico. Thank you.